Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix if you cannot unblock someone on Facebook. So first, check your block list. So make sure the person is still on your block list. So open Facebook, tap your profile picture in the bottom right, scroll down and go to settings and privacy, then go to settings, then scroll down to audience and visibility. Then under that, click blocking. Find the person's name and tap unblock. So tap unblock next to their name and click unblock again to confirm the action. Next, you have to wait if you recently unblocked someone. So Facebook only lets you block the same person again after 48 hours. If you recently changed the block status, you may need to wait before making another change. Next is to use the Facebook website. If the app won't unblock someone, try using a browser. You can go to facebook.com, sign into your account, then open settings, then go to blocking and click unblock next to the person's name. Next is to update the Facebook app. So open App Store or Play Store, then search for Facebook, then update Facebook to the latest version. Then open Facebook again and see if that works. Next is to restart your device. So a simple restart can fix temporary glitches affecting Facebook. Now, next is to check your internet connection. So go to settings, then go to Wi Fi, then confirm if you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can also switch between Wi Fi and mobile data. Then try unblocking the person again and see if that works. And that's it. Thank you for watching.